What's good? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. And really quick, just wanted to go over the markets today. And damn, I must say, man, beautiful price action. Just awesome trading conditions today, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like, you couldn't ask for better range either to the upside or the downside. Didn't even matter. Like, I was up late and I seen us gap up, all right? So I was like, oh, we're gonna have a bullish day. And I mean, obviously, that's what we ended up having. But and I just traded the SPY. But off rip, when I seen this gap up, like I knew we were gonna wash out. You know what I'm saying? Now, I guess because of the call with Jensen or whatever with Nvidia, I'm assuming that's what made the market run up even more. Can't be certain. Don't really pay much attention to all the noise. I focus mainly on price action. Like I took so many trades today, like I can't even remember exactly which trades I took, but I know I'm still in one right now. Actually, look off the open. So off the open, I knew we were gonna wash out because we gapped up. You feel me? So like I was eyeing like this pre-market high, and as you can see, and look, 25-cent increments. Just like I said, bro. Not saying it's going to be that way forever. I mean, clearly that's what's working right now. You feel me? Obviously, what's working is what you use. So anyways, like I was saying, bro, the same setup that I'm always talking about. Let the market rip and be bullish off the open. Like I said, already knew from us gapping up that, like, I felt like the market was going to be bullish today, but I knew that we were going to wash out, or I didn't know, but I had my suspicions that we were going to wash out before we actually found support and then started trending up. Basically, that's exactly what happened. So look, off the open, I'm letting the market rip. All right. I was actually tempted. Let me see what time this is. Yeah. So actually, my first trade was right here where we were wicking close to pre-market high, right? I believe it was the 438s. I know I caught the first fade, took profits. Like I had my risk and price targets like already. No, actually, I think I went long off the open. I can't remember. I have to go back and check. But regardless of the fact, pre-market high or low are always going to be some decent levels in my opinion. And look, you can see, look, here's pre-market high, 438.76. Pre-market low, 436.75. I caught this washout. Then I seen us finding support. I flipped long, like I was flipping my bias all over the place. Then once we got up here to pre-market high, and keep in mind, I'm not just watching the SPY, I'm watching the Qs and everything else in between, all the leaders especially. So you're talking about like your Apple, your Tesla, your Nvidia, the Russell, the IWM, the Russell ETF, the Qs, all the big dogs. When I see this come up here and start topping out at pre-market high, that is my cue to go ahead and fade, because remember, we have been downtrending. Now, it looks like we had 2 green days in a row. Let's see what that actually looks like. Something like that. I mean, it's a little bit tighter, but we have been trending down. I felt like after 3 days in a row, we were bound to see some type of relief rally or whatever you want to call it. And again, bro, that's why I try to stay unbiased. That way I can take advantage of the moves, whether they're to the upside or the downside. But look, faded from up here, the 438s, washed out, took profits, then we were chopping around, and I seen us down here. We just kept like playing with this level. It was like previous close, and then there's a level like right underneath it. Look, right down here is where we kept playing around at. So it's basically like 2 levels down there. You could say it's a range, but bro, and we're still ripping right now. I'm still in a trade, bro. What time is it? All right, 3:15. Dude, look at this. New high a day, bro. But anyways, just on the trades I took, look, I washed out all the way down here, took profits, seen us chopping around, acting like we wanted to break down. And remember, I know the market's been downtrending. And plus, like I said, it's easier for me to fade. You know what I mean? That's just my trading style, I guess. But again, you have to stay nimble. You feel me? But I seen us. We kept coming down here and acting like we were going to crack, right? So when we kept bouncing up and hitting the support at 437, I'm fading from up here. And actually, when we washed out down here, I actually didn't take profits right away. I took like half of the position off, and then I kept seeing us bouncing up and coming down here, acting like we wanted to go backside. You see, previous close is the dotted line here, 136.50, right on the dot. I seen us kept coming down here and like testing previous close like we wanted to crack it. So I went ahead and faded again, and we broke all the way down here, bro. And I took profits. Now, keep in mind, I have my setup where as soon as I enter a trade, I already have predefined price targets and risks. And then I can go in and edit them, you know what I'm saying? Basically from the chart. I can basically, like, you know what I'm saying? Like OCO orders. You feel me? Bracket orders. One cancels the other. I faded, went long, then faded all the way down here. And then, like, I was done for the day actually, right? But what I noticed as we got down here to 435.50s, right? And it was looking like we wanted to hold this at support, 435.50. So, I mean, at this point, I was done for the day. You feel me? Already hit my daily goal, like my weekly goal, everything. I hit freaking Monday. You know what I mean? So for the rest of the week, I'm basically going to trade with caution, because what I don't want to do is give any money back. You feel me? But down here, like, as I seen us, and also like on the S&P 500, right? We kept filling the gap, and to the upside and the downside is what I seen. See this gap up is where we gapped up. As we're washing out, I know there's a gap here and a possible gap fill to the downside. So I caught that, right? Like as we're holding support and refusing to go lower, like I'm flipping my bias and scalping to the upside. You feel me? Like in this gap zone, because it's like we kept filling the gap to the upside and the downside, at least halfway. So look, see the gap? See this gap right here? We kept filling it to the downside, and then when we'd bounce, we'd go up and kind of almost fill it to the upside, but hit resistance and then fade. So I'm also watching that as I'm trading the SPY, right? Dude, and look, we're just ripping right now, dude. Like, I don't know though. Look, it's 320. Let's see if we keep trending up, because basically what I did down here is I was just trying something. I grabbed a bunch of 440 calls, right? And they were super cheap, bro. They were like 5 or 10 cents each, bro. And look, we ended up trending all the way back up here, damn near to 440. So I know they're in the money. You feel me? But I need to watch this. It looks like we're going to keep trending up though. I'm about to actually probably go ahead and close those out. I mean, look at this uptrend, bro. Like, just unreal. Like the range that the market had today, bro. And I can only imagine what it was like on individual stocks. Like, I wasn't really trading individual stocks. I was basically just trading the SPY like I always do. But I mean, I seen Nvidia ripping. Like, look, we're about to hit 440. Look, 320, 40 minutes left. I mean, if we keep trending up like this, bro, we're going to hit 440. Dude, I grabbed the 440s down here, bro. They were like 5 or 10 cents each. I grabbed a bunch of them. So, like, I know they're in the money. I'm about to actually go ahead and probably close those out. I'm going to give it a little bit more time to see if we can actually get up to 440, which we're not that far away from it. But, I mean, probably going to have some resistance up here. And actually, right at 440, you look at the 15-minute. So possibly, I mean, right now I could take profits on them. But dude, like, they were so cheap. Like, I was just like trying something, because I was like, all right, we washed out to a certain point. Then I seen us like consolidate and then starting to trend up. So I grabbed them. You feel me? Super cheap. I'm going to check and see how much they're worth now. I mean, look, we're trading at 439.65. I wouldn't be surprised if we get to 440. I also wouldn't be surprised if they do something crazy for that 10 minutes of terror. Like I was saying, bro, the same setup. Here it is, dude. Same one I'm always talking about. And I mean, look, it was just perfect. Like laid out there for you, bro. Like all you gotta do, look, pre-market high. You know that's gonna be resistance 9 times out of 10. And it's at that 438.75, 25-cent increment. You feel me? That was sweet right there, bro. That was like a tailor-made fade right there, bro. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully someone was able to catch that. I just found that I'm just a lot more successful when I'm not live streaming and trying to trade, bro. Obviously just keeping the main thing. You feel me? But yeah, let's see what happens, because it seems like right now we put in a new high a day. I mean, we're still trending up. You feel me? This is healthy. You would expect some healthy pullbacks. But I mean, we're what, 40 cents away from 440? Like at this point, bro, I feel like buyers are definitely in control and we should hit it. But if not, regardless, I'm straight. Like that was just a Hail Mary play. Like I hit my goal down here, bro. You feel me? Yeah, I just wanted to kind of touch base and show you guys like that setup presents itself. I'd say about 3.5 out of 5 days a week, bro. Like I said, when the market's already downtrending, it will wash out further than you would think. And that's exactly what happened here. And then we even washed out more, you feel me? Again, keep your bias out of it. That way, when you see us finally stop hemorrhaging and find some support, you could recognize that and then flip long and catch the move to the upside as well. You feel me? But anyways, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Just wanted to touch base with you real quick. Try to provide some value to the channel, to the different platforms. But yeah, bro, so sweet today. I mean, honestly, I feel like this was one of my better days right here, bro. You feel me? Like excluding like any squeeze play, like short squeeze plays or anything, but basically just intraday trading. You feel me? As far as entries and exits, execution and all that, I feel like this was one of my better days. Gives me confidence that I'm moving in the right direction. But anyways, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe, follow, hit the bell, and get the hell over to any one of my social media platforms where you can just comment watch list on any video. That way you gain access to that daily morning briefing and watch list again for free right now, bro. Doesn't cost you anything. It is what it is, though. It's your boy E. Holla at your boy. Peace.